As Darlene said, I did retire from the ministry in 2017, and in 2018 the phone rang and I made the mistake of picking it up. I kindly reminded my wife that it only costs $5 for call display on the phones anymore. Anyway. So this is just a little bit of the background and structure of the LP. The Matachewan First Nation Limited Partnership was mandated in April of 2010 by a band council resolution. We were owned 100% by Matachewan First Nation. We're operated as a limited partnership to exercise tax advantages and insulate the community from business liability. The directors of the general partnership are appointed by Matachewan First Nation Council, and reporting structures, audits, etc., ensure that the LP is accountable to the Matachewan First Nation. These are three of the current operations that we are currently operating at the two mine sites, the Macassa site in Kirkland Lake and the Alamos site in Matachewan. The paste backfill, janitorial, and the underground drilling. The paste backfill plant in North Bay is a partnership with Wavy. Our LP financed that to the tune of $1.7 million. We co-own the plant with Wavy. Our trucking operations, which is called Bluewater, is 100% owned by by our LP. Currently, we're operating with 5 trucks and 6 trailers to provide the mines with the binder material. Currently, we're supplying the Alamos Young-Davidson mine with approximately 34,400 ton of material, or 858 loads annually. And we're also supplying the Agnico Macassa mine with 26,215 ton, or 654 loads annually. We have the ability for growth as the infrastructure has the capacity to service additional mine sites as required. And when we constructed the facility, we built it so that it would be easy to add more silos to allow more capacity for the binder material. Currently, our capacity at the plant is 900 metric tons. This is just a picture of the plant, the facility. 2 of the silos hold the slag, which is part of the product, which is 90%, and the other 2 silos hold the general use cement. The slag is a byproduct of the steel mills. Our underground drilling business supplying Alamos Young-Davidson mine and Agnico Eagle Macassa mine underground exploration drilling services. We have a partnership where we have a company called Wiijiiwagan, which means partnership in our language. We own 51% of the company, and Bort Longyear owns 49%. We've purchased 5 new drills and leases those to our drilling company, Wanika. Bort provides the operation and maintenance for our LP equipment in a very successful partnership model that we have structured. Further equipment purchases will be made based on customer requirements as the LP grows our business. This is a picture of the first drill that we purchased. It's at the shop in Haileybury, the Bort shop. It's getting ready to complete all the attachments required before we ship it to the site. Our janitorial services are wholly owned and operated companies servicing the Agnico Eagle Macassa mine and the Alamos Young-Davidson mines. We currently have 32 full and part-time frontline and managerial staff employed directly with the LP. We have 18 staff at the Macassa site, and we have 14 staff at the Alamos site. The Alamos site, we're doing all of the mine site. At Macassa, we're doing shaft 3, shaft 4, and they have 16 apartments that they rent out that we're also cleaning. This is just one of our crew over at the Alamos site. This is one of our crew at the Agnico Eagle site. We're also in the fuel business. We've partnered with Canada Clean Fuels to supply local mines and businesses with fuel products. Along with the trucks, we have a 300,000 liter plant that is situated in the town of Elk Lake. We service not just the mines. We have We're servicing the farming communities, the forest industry, at the mills, and in the bush operations. In concluding, Matachewan First Nation Limited Partnership continues to provide positive financial returns to its shareholder, Matachewan First Nation. We expect to do somewhere between $25 and $30 million worth of work annually this year, and positive cash flow and responsible management. And we're continuing to invest in the future growth of our existing businesses, and we're also looking for any new opportunities that may arise. In concluding, I'd just like to thank Chief Batiste is with us here today, and we have two sitting councillors, Councillor Fox and Councillor Boucher. None of this LP would be possible without the support of our elected officials. That's all I got, Darren.